If you love unique flavors and traditional Indian dishes, then get ready to discover a hidden gem of Mangalorean cuisine called Pathraday, a perfect blend of spice, coconut, and steamed goodness. This dish is a must try for every food lover. Let me show you how to make this delicious healthy dish that's rooted in coastal tradition. In a bowl, I have taken 1 cup of red boiled rice and half cup of idli rice. Rinse both the rice for 3 to 4 times. In another bowl, take 1 tablespoon of urad dal and rinse 3 to 4 times. Soak in water, rice and dal for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Strain the water from dal and rice and add in the mixer jar. Also add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, red chili, tamarind and salt. Grind them using very little water. Batter should be in a thick consistency. Here I have taken Colocasia leaves. It's also called as Taro leaves or Arbi leaves in Hindi. Wash the leaves and pat dry the leaves. Cut the stem and large vein as they cause itchiness in the mouth. Stack the leaves on top of each other. Now roll them firmly. Cut it into half and cut them into thin strips or cut the leaves finely thin. Add the shredded leaves into the rice batter and mix them very well. I am taking little rice paste and making it in a thick big rolls or a cylinder shape. Place the idli steamer on medium-high flame. Place the banana leaves on top of the idli steamer as shown in the video. Arrange all the rolls on top of the banana leaf and steam for 30 minutes. If you don't have banana leaves, you can do the same by keeping it on a plate as shown in the video. After 30 minutes, open the steamer. To check if it's cooked or not, insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the patrade is cooked. Remove the rice rolls from the steamer and allow them to cool. Once the rice rolls have cooled down, cut it into thick pieces. Now let's prepare the masala. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now add 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Next add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add black peppercorns and red chili. Roast it well. Once it's roasted, remove in a separate plate. In the same pan, add half teaspoon of mustard seed and let it splutter. Then remove and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add sliced onion and chopped garlic. Roast it till it's translucent and color starts to change. Remove and keep it aside. In the same pan, add freshly grated coconut and turmeric. Roast it till a nice aroma comes. Then keep it aside. Let all the spices come to cool down. Transfer all the roasted spices in a mixer jar. Add half cup of water and grind it. Then add lemon-sized tamarind ball and grind it into a smooth paste. In a large vessel, add ghee and add oil. Add mustard seed. Let the mustard seed splutter. Add asafoetida and curry leaves. Add 1 slice of onion. Fry till the onion turns brown. Now add the ground paste and fry it for a minute till it starts to boil. Add masala water from the mixer. Add enough water to get a running consistency. Add salt. Now cover and bring it to a boil. Reduce the flame. Add the patrade into the boiling gravy. Wiggle the pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Pathraday is ready. Cover and keep it aside for an hour to absorb all the flavors. After an hour, you will notice the masala absorbs well into pathraday pieces and it has become dry and thick masala. Enjoy this awesome Mangalorean delicacy with your loved ones.